Welcome back, children. Here I am going to discuss the use of delete query in your Python SQL interface. Delete query along with the DDL commands, alter and drop, how to use these commands or these queries in Python SQL interface. Delete record from EMP table. Now I just want to delete all the records whose age less than 30. So I have 3 records. I will show you my table content. These are the 3 records are there whose age less than 30 means only one record is coming over there. I want to delete that particular record. Delete records from table EMB whose age less than 30. Now the first 3 statement is same as what we studied. And here you have to accept the age. So I am going to accept the age. Age is here. Enter the age. And here we have to use your query. Your cursor object is mcursor dot execute. Which query you will use to delete a record from the table? Is it delete or drop? Yes, it is delete query. So delete from EMB where close is there, where age less than percentages, where age less than percentages, comma, tuple is coming over there, age, comma, 2 bracket close. So that query execution part is over. Now you have to use the this is a DML command. I told you using along with all the DML commands, use the commit method, then only that change will be permanently affect in your MySQL table. So mcursor dot, not mcursor, commit is a method of your connection object, not cursor object. So your connection object is con dot commit. Yes, so commit method use. And after that I want to display the content on your screen, entire content, existing content of the table I want to display on the screen. So before that I am going to give a message over there, records deleted, records deleted. Next I just want to extract the records from the table. For that I am going to use one more object, cursor object, that can be created here on the top also. Cursor, anywhere you can create it. Now the new object name is MUR1. By using that object, I am going to execute select query, select star from EMB. That select query is executed. Next, you have to display on the screen KIN MUR1 print K. It is just simple display, not a formatted display. Before display, you just give a message, print content of the EMP table. Content of the EMP table. Now run this program. MSQL is not defined. What is this MSQL? Import, it is not mcon, MSQL. You have to read the error part and then correct it. Age less than 30, so 30 is there. Now error is again coming, name error, MUR1.cursor is not defined. Mistake is here. Is it the way you are creating the object? It is wrong method. Equal to MUR1 equal to your connection object con dot cursor, mcon dot cursor. Age 30. Now all the record content of the EMB table, all the records whose age less than 30 is removed and only 2 records are balance is there, that will be displayed on your screen. Now come back and check it in your MySQL table whether that record is deleted or not. Yes, that particular record is removed from your MySQL. So this is the way you can use your delete query. This is similar to your update query and silent query. The only difference your query is delete. That is the only difference. Remaining everything is same. Now this is the way you can use your delete query. Next, I am going to discuss how to use your other DDL commands like your alter and drop query. Alter and drop query. New file is open. How to use alter and drop query. Same way you can use alter and drop query. MSQL. I just want to alter it. So mcursor dot execute alter table EMB, alter table EMB, and we have what are the attributes are there? NO, name, salary, age, and one more attribute I am going to give it as grade, character type, character of 2. Now double quotes closed, bracket closed. So that table is altered there. Now I just want to see the current structure of the table. For that I am going to use one more cursor object. Cursor 1 equal to mcon dot cursor. Next mcursor 1 dot execute. Which query you will use? Describe EMB. EMB is describe. For k in mcursor 1 print k. Yes, the new attribute grade is included there in the table. Grade character of 2. Now check it is there in the MySQL also. Describe EMP. It's added. Now I didn't use commit over here. I didn't use the commit over there. I told you the commit statement is used only along with the DML commands. Whatever the DML commands you are using in Python, there you have to use your commit query. For DDL commands, all the transactions are permanent. There is no temporary transaction for your DDL commands. All the DDL commands are permanent transaction. Only DML commands are temporary transaction. Make it as a permanent transaction. We are using our commit method. The only thing you have to keep it in mind that commit method is the method of connection object, not the cursor object. Now this is the way you can alter the table. Same way you can use drop also. You can use your drop also. Instead of alter query, you can use the drop query also. So these are the different ways you can use your SQL queries in your Python. Basic things are same. That means importing the module, creating the connection object, creating the cursor object, and using the execute query. We are executing the different types of queries. Next class we can do one program. By using this Python SQL interface, you have to do your project. That is why I told you, find out a project which will be useful for you, which you can do it by using this Python MySQL interface. So next class we can do one program by using this Python MySQL interface. Okay, thank you children.